I definitely see that the goals that I intended when I took this boot camp, I do see them coming to fruition. My name is Maureen Kennedy, and I currently work for Securitas, which is contracted out to the State Street Corporation. Before I started the Cyber Warrior Bootcamp, it was mostly security level type work of doing emails, not too much responsibility with a lot of higher tech, answering phone calls, dealing with emergency and non-emergency situations. In a sense, I was definitely a help desk format. I felt like I had reached my max level within the company, so I figured I wanted to start getting into cybersecurity, and I started looking at different programs and found that this one was something that I could make happen with the current schedule I had at work. I could get it done. It was a short enough time span where it's not going to be a 4-year, program for a bachelor's degree or, constant master's program. So it was something that would fit into my schedule. But then I ended up having to put off that goal because I had a family emergency come up, and my dad had gotten sick, and it was like about a year or so after he passed away. There was so much going on, but it kind of came back to me again, and in a way it kind of felt like it was him trying to encourage me to pursue that. So it kind of took on a whole new meaning at that point, to try and make myself go into a career that's going to be growing, that's going to be that I can do a lot in, that I can help other people with. So it definitely took on a meaning, like my father was trying to say, do this for yourself so you can be financially secure and happy and enjoy it and move up in the company and use your gifts that you have within this world. So it was kind of took on a more personal meaning after that. Since the boot camp, I've been able to take on more responsibilities with the programs. I've been given permissions to the applications we have to make sure that they're functioning properly. I have admin rights to go in and correct any mistakes that might come through on the different applications we use. We're also currently going through a huge construction project where we're going to be changing offices. So they have been setting up new computers, and every single one of those ones need to be put online with our applications, with our permissions. They've entrusted me to make sure that I'm one of the people that are involved in that setup, which has also allowed me a great opportunity to network with the IT team, the cybersecurity teams. So I've been making a lot of great contacts, and I'm really thinking that these contacts are going to, become fruitful within the next few months. Once we're done moving, I feel like that's really going to give me a lead in transferring my job over to something within State Street. The Cyber Warrior Bootcamp definitely gave me a lot of different tools that it's made a lot of the applications I use at work a lot easier to use. I have been putting those to full use. There's actually a few people in the office that start calling me the computer guru lately. Whenever something goes wrong, they pull me over. So it definitely feels good to know that I'm able to even help out my coworkers with their issues as well. So it's definitely been a valuable 6 months of boot camp.